Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you to a place that's so picturesque it might just give your vacation photos a complex. Welcome to Sölden, Austria. Yes, that's right. We're swapping your typical office view for stunning alpine landscapes and mountain magic. Nestled in the heart of the Ötztal Alps, Sölden is like the Swiss Army knife of vacation destinations. It's got a little bit of everything. Whether you're a summer sun seeker or a winter sports enthusiast, this place is ready to meet all your alpine needs. Last week, we captured some footage that'll make you wish you were here. From the bird's eye view, Sölden is an alpine wonderland with streets that seem to wind around the mountain like they're playing a never-ending game of hide and seek. Take a stroll through the charming streets and you'll find that Sölden has a cozy, welcoming vibe. It's like the town is giving you a big, warm hug, except with more lederhosen and fewer awkward family photos. Now let's talk about one of Sölden's coolest culinary experiences, the ice queue. And no, that's not a typo or a new ice cream flavor. Ice Q is Austria's highest gourmet restaurant, perched majestically at the summit of Kogel. It's not just about the altitude, though it certainly adds a touch of grandeur. This architectural marvel is a glass cube that seems to float above the alpine peaks. It's like someone took a sleek modern design and placed it right in the heart of a mountain range. The exclusive ambiance inside is perfect for savoring refined alpine cuisine while enjoying a panoramic view that will literally take your breath away. All right, James Bond fans, here's a nugget of cinematic trivia that'll make your inner spy do a happy dance. Did you know that the stunning landscapes of Sölden were featured in the James Bond film Spectre? That's right. This very mountain became the backdrop for some high-octane action sequences. At the summit of Kogel, not only will you find the Ice Q restaurant, but you'll also discover the 007 Elements Museum. This place is a must-visit for any Bond aficionado. The museum is a fascinating blend of cinematic history and cutting-edge design, all set against the backdrop of the Alps. It's like stepping into a real-life Bond film set, minus the high-speed chases and perilous stunts, of course. Inside the museum, you'll find an impressive array of exhibits that dive into the making of Spectre and the film's connection to these breathtaking landscapes. And here's a fun challenge for you. See if you can spot the iconic James Bond car that made its appearance in the movie. Trust me, it's as thrilling as finding a hidden Easter egg in your favorite film. So, next time you're at the top of Kogel, channel your inner Bond and explore this extraordinary museum. And remember, whether you're a secret agent or just a tourist, the views and the experience are worth their weight in gold. And speaking of epic views, don't miss the gondola ride to the top of the Kogel. This isn't just any gondola. It's like your personal flying carpet, but without the risk of getting tangled in the magic. As you ascend, the vistas unfold like a panoramic dream. You'll be treated to breathtaking views that'll have you reaching for your camera, and possibly your heart medication if you're afraid of heights. Whether you're here to hike, bike, or just marvel at the stunning scenery, Sölden has got you covered. It's like someone took a postcard and turned it into a reality. So, if you're dreaming of your next adventure, why not let Sölden be your guide? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your favorite mountain moment. Until next time, keep exploring and keep smiling.